guys, if you are anything like me, then you are on your way to the garage or to the basement, wherever you store your Christmas decor, and kind of taking a bit of an inventory. All right, so right now I am in the process of going through my Christmas decor from last year and the year before that and the year before that. I haven't actually purchased any new Christmas decor in a while. So what I'm doing today is doing a little bit of inventory and trying to figure out what pieces from the past holiday season I want to keep, what pieces I need to toss, and making a list, trying to decide what I need to repurchase. Nothing, guys, get me more in the mood to celebrate and decorate for the holiday season than my home actually smelling like Christmas. All right, guys, so for this stovetop potpourri, we're going to use one orange, and we're going to slice that orange into about 1/4 inch slices. We're also going to need, guys, 1 cup of cranberries. We're going to need 2 teaspoons of nutmeg, and we're going to use 2 cinnamon sticks. Now, I am partial to these little cinnamon brooms that I started using last year. I found these at my local Kroger, and I will show you guys why I am using these cinnamon brooms as opposed to the cinnamon sticks here in just a second. Guys, we're also going to use 2 sprigs of some great smelling fresh rosemary and 1 tablespoon of cloves. Guys, so now that we have all of our little ingredients, we're going to take a medium-sized pot and fill it about 3/4 of the way full with water. Now, guys, we're simply just going to place our ingredients into our water, give it a gentle stir, and let it simmer. All right, and so guys, what I love to do as I wait for Eric to bring all of the Christmas decor from the basement is just kind of hang out a little bit and keep an eye on the stove. Oh my gosh, guys, it's like immediately putting the ingredients into that warm water, the smell just penetrates every nook and cranny of the home. I'm finding it really hard at this point to kind of get up off the sofa. It smells so amazing, guys. And a true testament, guys, to the way this potpourri smells is when you can get your male teenager, your teenage son, to come down and say, "Mom, what is that smell? The house smells really nice. I can smell it all the way upstairs." I know right then that the potpourri has done its job. But yeah, so I'm just kind of hanging out, guys. Oh my gosh, it almost puts you, it's like a hypnotic state, guys. You have got to try this potpourri. me know also, guys, in the comments if you're like me and that during the holiday season or as it gets closer to the holiday season, you love tuning in to HSN and watching all of their little holiday specials.
You love the guava glaze. Miss Mom cinnamon rolls, or maybe you're making a souffle, or maybe you're making a meringue, or maybe you're...
As I pull myself off the sofa, guys, and return to the kitchen, I see I have the stove up a little bit too high. So what I'm going to do right now is just go ahead and turn it off and just let it just do its thing off of the heat. So as you see, guys, it really does make a lot, and I'll tell you from experience, it will hold about 3 days in the refrigerator if you place it in an airtight container. And so speaking of airtight containers, what I did on last year was bottle up several jars of this, and I gave it out to friends and family for just little gifts when I went over, during the holiday season. Right here, I'm sharing with you just some of the jars I kept from Yankee Candle that my candles came in. I loved these gold lids, and I couldn't bring myself to toss these, so this is what I use to bottle them up. And of course, there is always the ever popular mason jar. As I'm packaging it up, guys, especially if I'm going to give it away, I try to make sure each jar has a little bit of everything. As you can see, that little broom cinnamon bundle fit perfectly into the jar. That's why I chose to use that as opposed to using the cinnamon sticks. And I just think it's so pretty to kind of package up. You can place a nice little bow on these jars, and everyone that I gave them to on last year loved them. They are actually looking for more this year. This is actually why I am preparing these here on today, but just a really pretty, a really thoughtful gift to take to your friends and family. Also, guys, if you plan on hosting during this holiday season, this upcoming holiday season, these little potpourri jars are great for incorporating into your vignettes. You can place a few of these into your bathroom. The scent, even though it's not on the stove, lingers once it has been warmed up. You can place these near the entrance of your home. It's just a welcoming scent as your guests enter.